मेरा नाम है शबाना.
हाय, मेरी बीवी का नाम है शबाना.
And you're watching us on
बॉलीवुड हंगामा.
Now, sir, we'll have a rapid fire round with you guys, so you can have some more. We'll start with Manoj ji, if you allow.
Yeah, please.
Okay, so rapid fire with Manoj Bajpayee. After working in
Controversial.
Sir, आपको क्या फर्क पड़ता है?
no, it's not. After working in Naam Shabana, you think you should have been a part of Baby?
Actually, I have read the script of Baby. You know,
Okay.
Neeraj has given. I mean, Neeraj and my relationship is such that he always gives his scripts to me. कि भैया पढ़ के बताओ, what do you think about this?
So मतलब इन्होंने नहीं काम करना चाहा बेबी में, मतलब आप ये कहना चाहिए.
मैं देखा, फिल्म भी देखी, स्क्रिप्ट भी पढ़ा था. Then Neeraj said कि यार, do you see yourself in any character? मैंने कहा सर ये वाला छोड़ दो, दूसरे में देखते हैं. क्योंकि सारे रोल तो उन्होंने बांट दिए थे.
Oh.
So all the good roles were gone.
Okay.
Yeah. I would have definitely gone for, you'll be surprised. I would have definitely gone for Shukla ji.
Okay, Anupam.
हाँ, but Anupam has done it so
Yeah.
well. मैं हंसते से गिर गया था. मैं देख रहा था film.
Oh, that's interesting. Three things that make Taapsee a perfect Shabana.
3 things.
जी.
देखिए perfect शबाना मत बोला कीजिए. बीवी का नाम भी शबाना है.
वो बहुत भावे, बहुत.
I did not want to
ठान हो रही है मुझे.
वो क्या बोलते हैं, कर्म युद्ध और धर्म युद्ध हो जाएगा आपका.
Where you do it?
Shabana. See, she's very strong-willed. Taapsee.
जी.
Very strong-willed. मतलब जितना मैंने जो हम लोगों को ऑब्जर्वेशन जितना मैंने देखा है, जितना इंटरेक्ट किया है, शी इज़ वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग. अंदर से मैं जितना हंसती है ना उतना अंदर में ना बड़ी ये अंदर तक है ये.
Right.
हाँ. और सेकेंडली शी इज़ रेडी टू पुश हर सेल्फ. शी इज़ रेडी टू टेक अप द चैलेंज. 2 3 बहुत सुंदर लड़कियां ऐसी ही यार.
Okay, sir. This is. We would really want you to answer this.
Right.
Your most satisfying work till date, sir.
It's very difficult.
यार मैं भी जानना चाहूंगी.
Because एक तो काम कम करते हैं ना, तो उसमें
कम करते हैं, कहाँ कम करते हैं सर?
23 years, only 60 films है. Only 60.
उन्हीं मत बोलो सर.
23-24 में तो शाहरुख ने भी करीब 70-80 कर लिया.
सर मतलब कंपैरिजन मत करो, बट ओनली नहीं है.
Only मतलब नहीं तो हम लोग का जो because
Could have done much more.
I mean around 100 तो होना चाहिए था. And if you compare yourself with Mr. Anupam Kher, तो हमको तो सुसाइड कर लेना चाहिए.
He has done like 400, 500.
Compare मत करो.
Naughty at 40. He's done all sorts of.
But yes, there are few films that I personally feel that it is always the first film which stays with you for a very long time, and that was Bandit Queen. I was doing theatre, and we were very new to this setup of cameras everywhere, and all foreign crew working. So the first experience itself was very foreign discipline before we landed in Bombay.
हाँ जी.
So जो शेड्यूल हाथ में मिलता था, शीट मिल जाती थी अगले दिन की. हम लोग उस डिसिप्लिन में शुरुआत की थी. So for me the camera was I didn't know how to be in front of the camera, but Shekhar Kapoor made it quite easy. He said, the way you act in theatre, just do it. Let cameraman or camera capture it. I don't want you to act for camera. You just act. Just be in the character, be in the situation. We'll catch you. If we don't catch you, we'll adjust ourselves. We'll never let you adjust with us.
क्या बात है?
Yeah.
क्या बात है? Okay, that's a very interesting thing that you've said actually. That's a very interesting thing. One major thing of why you think Naam Shabana will be better than Baby. Do you think Naam Shabana is better than Baby?
It will not be better. It will be as good as Baby. यार मेरा क्या है ना, मैं थोड़ा bias होता हूँ when it comes to women playing the central role. I'm quite biased there. क्योंकि this is where Naam Shabana is going to score much more. If this film, I'm keeping my finger crossed. I really want this film to do well. Not for my reason, not because I'm there, not because she's there. It's also, you know, giving ideas to the audience that, you know, you can go ahead and accept these kind of films where women are doing not only the main roles or the central role, the title role, they are pushing envelope, you know, physically and emotionally. This is going to be equally thrilling, equally gripping. You know, as many action as you've seen in Baby, you know, those many action sequences that you're going to see in this film. But yes, Akshay is a trained guy, you know, he's a martial art ka basha aadmi. But here, Taapsee, you'll be seeing Taapsee doing all of that. That's interesting. I find that interesting.
Okay.
Yeah.
डिप्लोमेसी में कुछ कमेंट करेंगे?
नहीं, मैं
Diplomacy भी
बहुत
है।
स्ट्रेस प्रेशर में आ रही हूँ वहाँ बैठ के.
Okay. Slight. Do you think Naam Shabana is Taapsee's best performance till date?
Yeah, अभी क्या है कि 3-4 फिल्में तो की है यार, इस बेचारी पे इतना
हाँ,
pressure क्यों डाल रहे हो?
actually yeah.
I think she was outstanding. So
She is fantastic in the film. I have seen Pink also. She is very good in that way, in Pink also. But I think यार इसका best अभी तो आना बाकी है, बहुत साल है अभी.
okay, one actress in Bollywood you'd love to work with, but still haven't got the chance.
I think Naseeruddin Shah.
Nasiruddin Shah.
I have never worked with him.
My God, that's
Yeah.
very
Yeah,
interesting.
yeah, I have never ever worked with him. I worked with Mr. Om Puri in Prakash Jha film. I want to work with Mr. Naseeruddin Shah, but अभी तक हमको chance ही नहीं मिला.
That's
Yeah,
extremely interesting
yeah,
actually. That's
yeah.
very, very interesting. Okay. All right. Thank you very much, sir.